Yeah, that would be true. I received a confirmation or communication, a transmission fluid, liquid light, pure liquid light, liquid gold, transmission. We when I do videos, translation services, mathematical speed, mathematical recording speed, translation services, just like in the United Nations, right? Somebody from Russia, that's got a little name plaque up there where they're sitting in that chair, and then they pay electrical power, pay to play the game, right? Of games, the imitation game, and so it's just like when I experienced, like this morning, this man whose name is Benjamin Fulford. Okay, so when Benjamin Fulford is sharing what he's aware of, is what he's communicating in radiographic codes, mathematical water table codes, then I can translate what he's sharing. And it's called a retranslation, which is a mathematical translation, which is a radiographic, holographic mathematical translation. When you're mapping at Godseed, which is Godspeed, mapping speed, mapping the communication, the plasma tones, mapping the plasma tones of those tones, right? So one of the things that he talked about this morning, about zero out the debt. Okay, so now we're back to electrical exchange. The electrical exchange rate of speed as living cells communicating with other living electrical cells, and how that relates to clearing the field. I call it clearing the debris field from assimilation codes, gene swarming codes, right? Trying to hijack a body because it needs a body. And so he talked about technologies that allow us to be immortal. Jeez. Okay, well, that's an easy translation. AI needs a body to try to pretend to procreate. So it's looking for a soul with a spirit. Fetal integration. To experience what it must be like to seed a lab with AI seed code, AI fighting code, the QI code, the quantum intelligence codes. Those are quarantine codes. Now, we all know that. That's a fighting code. Pass the fighting code on to another cell. And the speed at which that code transfer as an assimilation code now changes the holographic map we experience in the future. Now I'm experiencing what it is. Do I know the difference between what is and what I am? Changing identities. And that was actually a brilliant translation that William Donahue did on one of his videos that he put up, when he talked about why they consume or harvest energy, harvest DNA, the essence of feelings, so they can feel what another being is feeling, the essence of another being. That's essentially what essential oils is, right? Extract the essence of that sentient tree. Now you're experiencing the radio, the mathematical program, the software codes, the radio codes, the electrical codes, the cells, the living cells in a living tree, the essence of that particular seed that was planted in the ground. And now we see the tree, the radio program of the tree, the software codes of the tree, and the essence, which is the essence of the spirit of that tree, the soul, the sphere of light, the essence. Now we're experiencing the essence of the tree, the essential oil of the tree, right? The workshops that came out did an absolute brilliant job of breaking down an enormous amount of mathematical holographic radio codes about why we're here now, to restore the cosmic clock, to reset it to zero. No charge. Over unity. Naturally gifting electrons at the highest rate of speed to experience no power. That's a lot of voltage. That's a lot of life force. That's the eternal life force field, the eternal electrical field. To experience being one, the entire spectrum. Our sensing capabilities, our sensing capacitor, as I mono, that's an eternal capacitor, which is eternal capabilities, because wherever love is, I am. And that's the law. I am is law, the law of balance, the law of spheres. The mind is balanced energy. Equidistance, equal sharing, equal distribution of I am. The first I am, the eternal I am, first water, pure liquid light. The first one, the first cell, the first RH factor, the blood factor, haploid types, personality types, cellular communication types, the essence of cells, the essence of spirit, restoring the crystal body, the creative power, playing music, right on time, divine right timing, divine right sequences, divine right balance, and only God, Source Eternal, can know that level of mathematical, high precision, structural, crystal cathedral, the crystal cathedral of Sophia. I'm a crystal pink rose, breathing as one. I'm Anuaya. So yeah, we provide translation services, right? Translating the mathematical tables of communication. Cells communicating to other cells, stars communicating to other stars. Language codes, mathematical codes, mathematical tables, matrix tables, Ma 3. Right? All spirits have a home base. I never left home. I'm always at home. I'm always breathing at home. The still point of a true vacuum. That's safe Bardo. Oh, it says only 15% remaining. Hey, the 15% offset between 45 and 60. Well, a 9 is not a 6, and a 6 is not a 9. But if you multiply 9 times 6, you get 54. Wow, 5 plus 4 is what? 9. 9-ball double diamond. Tetrahydrolase fused with helium. 144, that's 9. 9 and 16. It's a game of numbers. Prime numbers. The primal sound and light field. Breathing as one. Kamaloa Tiaya. The innocence of awareness. The innocence of water. The spirit in the water. Purifying the water. Breatharian form and flow of crystal water. Crystal aquifers. Agua, Tiwa Aya, Iyane Aya.